Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios and we're giving you an update on the SOL Harbour development. Now this development is completely sold out, so we're just giving you an update as to how far they've reached completing the development. As you can see, they've come a far way, and based on what we're looking at, or the latest update says that these units should be ready by the end of 2025. So we're just giving you guys an update to show you what's going on with the development. Now this development was done by Proven Properties, and it's one of 4 developments that they did. They did a Vitari a development in New Kingston. I'm trying to remember the name of it. The name just slipped me. But they did a 10th floor building, residential in New Kingston, completely sold out. This building, SOL Harbour, completely sold out, residential as well. They are doing one in Runaway Bay, Bahari at Runaway Bay. I'm not sure if it's sold out, but it is another residential development. And they also did one in Mandeville called Avista. Now that one is not sold out. All the others are sold out. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and let us know what you think about this building. Alright guys, have a good day.